In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Crave subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, to cancel your Crave subscription, the method will depend on how you initially subscribed through Crave directly or via TV provider or through a third-party service like iTunes or Google Play. So I've outlined a step-by-step guide for each method. So if you subscribe directly through Crave, what you want to do is to go to the Crave website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon or name in the top right hand corner and select Manage Account from the drop down menu. In the account settings, find subscription section and then look for the option to cancel your subscription and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Alright, if you subscribe via a TV provider, what you need to do from here is contact that TV provider directly to cancel your Crave subscription. This could be Bell, Rogers, Telus, etc. And then each provider may have different steps, so follow their specific instructions to cancel your subscription. Alright, for Apple users, so what you want to do is open settings on your iOS device, open the settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name, so tap on your Apple ID at the top, select subscriptions, find and select the Crave subscription, tap cancel subscription and confirm the cancellation. And if you've done it by Google Play, I'll show you how to do this on my phone. So go ahead and click onto your Play Store, and then from here you want to click on your user profile top right hand corner, and then click onto where it says payments and subscriptions, click onto subscriptions, and your Crave subscription will be here, so click onto it and click on cancel. If all else fails, you can also contact Crave support directly. So visit this website here for more information and support options. You can also email or call, so use the contact options provided to get in touch with Crave customer support. And on a side note, be sure to cancel before your next billing date to avoid being charged for the next period. Review Crave's cancellation policy on their website to understand any potential fees or notice periods required for cancellation.